Shall we see how soggy this kingdom can get before it crumbles? You think you can defeat me? Puny, shameless liars, all of you! Well now, what do we have here? So many cookies! How long can you last before getting too soggy? The ocean will crush you into smithereens. More water! More waves! Oh, afraid of the ocean? You poor insignificant thing. All the ships at sea are nothing but toys to be trashed! Cookies. I know their flat, two-faced kind too well. Help me! I'm so scared! Fooled ya! Do you know what'll happen if the currents stop flowing? The crispy ones are more fun. They last longer in the water. You've never seen such raw power handled by a beauty such as me. Hello there, little playthings. Are you ready to become soggy trash? Cookies are small, sweet, repulsive abominations. Tell me, do you know what betrayal tastes like? Who dares to enter my realm? The seas are unforgiving. I'll show you unforgiving. There's so many different types of ships. I never get tired of sinking them. Cookies are so simple. They can't say no to pleas for help.